In this episode, we will be taking you on a 7-hour journey headed to the east side of Malaysia to the beautiful city of Terengganu. Along the way, we will stop to enjoy the countryside, visit a beautiful waterfall, and eat with the locals. We couldn't resist stopping at this recommended bakery for a much-needed treat after our long drive. And as they say, life isn't about the destination, it's about the journey. Hi guys, and welcome back. If you are new here, let me catch you up to speed. So Jay and I are in Malaysia, and we basically started traveling in January, and we spent the first 8 months of the year in Thailand. And I'm gonna throw up the northern adventures here in the screen so you guys can take a look at that. Right now we are headed to Terengganu, and first time we'll be on the East Coast, so we are excited about that. We are looking forward to having so much fun with you guys. We are gonna take you along. We are going to spend probably about 7 days on the road, just bebopping along the East Coast and going over to Kuala Lumpur into Ipoh. And yeah, let's see what fun we can get into. We've seen some pretty cool landscapes so far as we've been driving, and it's hard to kind of pull over on the side of the road. We're so used to have the scooter and just kind of slip in wherever we can, but on a car, or in a car, it's a little bit trickier. So we're just stopped now. There's a good spot where there's a bridge, and the landscape is so cool here. Alrighty, so we just stopped quick. We've been driving for about 4 hours, so we just thought we'd stop and take a quick pit stop. But we do have something special marked on the map, so stay tuned for that. This is our very first waterfall in Malaysia. Of this is just awesome. It is so huge. Wow. It's a nice overcast day as well, so I can see how this would be really refreshing on a hot sunny day, because there's a little pool at the bottom people are swimming in. But yeah, this would be really refreshing on a hot day, that's for sure. I'm so happy we stopped here. What a beautiful waterfall. Wow, awesome. We're gonna head back to the car, and oh, there's people in a tent over there. I think we still have a few hours driving left to get to Terengganu, so here's hoping we make it. So before we head out, I just wanted to say when we got here, it was 5 ringgit per adult if you're a foreigner, and 3 ringgit to park. So in total it cost us 13 ringgit to go and explore here. So good deal. Time check. It's 4:30 and we have 3 hours to go. So this is the thing about really not knowing where we're going. We were on the hunt for some food because we really haven't eaten today, and it's like almost 5 o'clock already. So we were driving and looking and driving and looking, and then we're like, oh, this place looks good, let's stop in here. So here we are. We are having rice and chicken and roti, teas. Should be good. Still raining. So we have 3 hours to go. We should be at our accommodations by around 9. That whole meal cost 29 ringgit. I'm not really sure how much that is Canadian, but I'll leave it down below. 10 bucks. Hitting the road. It has been a long day. Oh my gosh. So we left this morning at like 9:30 and it's now around 9 o'clock. So we ended up stopping at that waterfall that ended up putting us past the time we were supposed to arrive here. But that waterfall was definitely worth the stop for sure. So we also stopped when we were in Pahang. We stopped at this awesome dessert shop and we got a mango cheesecake and a chocolate caramel cake, right? Chocolate caramel cake. Chocolate caramel, yeah.
Chocolate caramel cake?
Chocolate caramel cake, I don't know. But it looks awesome. So we are going to have our celebratory desserts in our hotel room. Yeah, Jay ended up getting like a mango sauce with it. That looks good.
Kula Cakes?
Yummy. Kula Cakes, yeah, was a recommended dessert place we needed to stop. 7 hours in a car. This is what we deserve. A little treat. Alrighty. Cheers. Oh, wooden spoon. Oh, that's good.
It's very good.
That's really good.
The chocolate's good.
It's very good.
You like this?
I bet you I will. So we are going to end the video here. Tomorrow we are going to be exploring Terengganu and see all the sites. I'm looking forward to seeing everything there is to see here. We've have some things on the map that we're going to go check out and things that some of our subscribers had said that we need to go check out. So we are going to do that. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.